Okay, 17, write 1/3 as a decimal. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So we should know what 1/3 is, right, as a decimal. 1/3 is quite simply 0.3 recurring, right? So it's just 3 never ending, right? Just keeps on going. 0.33333 and so on. Sometimes we write it like this, 0.3 with a dot above it. The dot above it shows that it just keeps repeating, okay? So you might see that there. It's a recurring decimal. So 1/3 as a decimal is that there, okay? Now, if you didn't know that, what you could do the bus stop method to show that's the case, because 1/3 is 1 divided by 3. So if I did the bus stop, okay, and because this is recurring, what I'm going to need to do, I put 1 there, and I want to divide it by 3, but what I'll do is I'll put decimal point, right, and I'm going to put a load of zeros there. This is the way I show this. Now 3, does it divide into 1? Of course it doesn't, 1's too small, so we put a 0 there, and carry that 1, put a decimal point up here. And the 1 we've carried now makes that a 10. Does 3 go into 10? Well, it does. It goes into it 3 times, which makes 9, and there's 1 left over. 3, does it go into 10? It does. It goes into it 3 times, 1 left over. You get the same pattern. 3 into 10, 3 times, 1 left over, and so on. Now, they want it to 2 decimal places. What we do then is we simply chop off everything after 2 decimal places. So there's the first 2 decimal places there. And then we check after that line to see what that number is. And because it's a 3, then we're going to keep this the same, right? It stays then as 0.33. Okay, and there's our answer.